I'm at East Midlands Airport in the UK, and in a couple of hours I'll be catching a Ryanair flight to Palma, Mallorca, which I paid £13 for. Let's see what that flight is like. Welcome to Maximum Travels. My name is James, and on this channel we do travel guides and we do airport tours and flight reviews. We also do hotel tours and city walks. If it sounds like something you're interested in, please do give the video a like and subscribe. Let's go check in for our flight. So I'm just waiting in the terminal now. I've actually got here quite a few hours earlier than what I really should have. I can't believe how quiet this airport is. I've actually done a walking tour of this airport just a couple of minutes ago. Go check that out on the channel if you want, but you'll see just how quiet it is. I've no idea what gate my flight is going to go from, but there are like 6 flights left out of here today, and it's only about 5 o'clock now. So I guess I'm just going to have to sit around and wait for a couple of hours until I can actually get on the plane. But I've just got a sneaking suspicion it's going to be a very, very quiet flight, which is really good for these videos because then we get a really good look at the plane. But what I do like about this airport is behind me, you're literally nose to nose with the planes out there. Obviously, I love planes. That's why I do these videos. So yeah, I'll let you know when we start boarding. So we are at the gate now, gate number 2. You see the plane just behind me there. Not very many people here waiting, to be honest, so I think it will be quite a quiet flight. I like kind of quiet flights because you can get a real proper good review of it. But next thing you'll see is getting on the plane. So we are on board now, seat 35F, which is literally right at the back of the plane. So far, nobody next to me. I hope it stays that way. Seat on this 737 is not too bad. A little bit cramped. My knees don't quite touch the seat in front of me when I'm sat up straight. Obviously, if I slouch, they probably would. It's not exactly that clean either. Ryanair flights tend to have those where they just come in and turn them around real quick instead of cleaning, not like transatlantic flights. But yeah, up above, it's got some air conditioning, which is quite nice, and it doesn't look like it will be a full flight, but there are still quite a few people on here. Hopefully we should be pushing back pretty soon. So we push back now on the way to the runway, and I've hit the jackpot. I'm on my own, the back 3. Asked the flight steward, the stewardess, what it usually is on a Ryanair flight, like whether people book these back seats. And she said, yeah, people do tend to book them, but because this is not a full flight, I guess people just haven't booked them and they just haven't been placed here by default when they check in. But yeah, we are moving, so we should be taking off any moment. Well, so far it is a little bit bumpy going up in the air, but at least the seat is comfortable enough right now. seatbelt sign has just gone off, so you know what it's time for.
The Bog Vlog.
As always with the 737 toilets, it's very cramped and claustrophobic in here, but I think it's clean enough. Floor's a little bit tatty. Sink is clean, handle tap here is clean. The mirror though, there are some smudges, like handprints on there. I'm not sure why, whether the lighting works or not, but it's weird mood lighting in here. Is that normal? Is it meant to be like that? But yeah, it's, I suppose if you need to go to a toilet, it's good enough. I think although it's not quite a full flight, I'm quite lucky to get these free seats all to myself. I mean, considering you've got to pay the most, I think, to sit at the back, and no one sat here, it kind of makes sense, I guess. Let's have a look at this table then. Oh, what is that? Gross. That's pretty nasty. Let's have a look at this one here, see if this is any cleaner. It's not exactly the best. How about this one? That's slightly better, but even so, they're not really that great, are they? For some reason, the seatbelt sign has been turned on. Even though there's no turbulence, there's nothing, so if we're expecting any to come. If this will focus, look at this sunset. It looks really nice. Just looking at the floor, and the camera doesn't quite pick it up, but it doesn't look that clean. It looks a bit gross, to be honest, which is a shame. Seatbelt sign's been switched off now, but 15 minutes later, we had no turbulence or anything. Seatbelt signs just come on, and we are well into our descent now. I think we'll be landing too. So how was that flight with Ryanair? Honestly, pretty good. I've heard horror stories about Ryanair as an airline, and to be honest, that blew my expectations out the water. If it wasn't for the slight dirtiness of the plane and the table, that would have been almost a perfect flight. But maybe it's tainted because I didn't have anybody sat next to me. But for £13, honestly, I really can't complain at that. I think also because it's a late night flight as well, that's why it wasn't as full as usual. But yeah, would I recommend flying to Mallorca with Ryanair? Yes, of course I would. There'll be some other videos on the screen now if you fancy clicking any of those. Click the subscribe button just down below if you want to be the first to see any new videos. But until the next time, thank you very much for watching. Take care.